Hi friends, today we have some friends from Algeria.
Hello.
Imad
My name
and
Sophia.
oh, so how was your experience in the concert?
It was amazing.
Okay.
We saw Maluma for the first time.
Okay.
And it was so
We
exceptional.
danced, we had a lot of fun.
Oh,
There were
okay.
a lot of people dancing with us.
And
cheering.
how was your experience so far in Qatar?
It's amazing.
Yeah,
They
it's
are
great.
doing great job. So it will be the best World Cup.
Yeah.
in,
The
world.
organization is
Inshallah,
really
and you are here for supporting your team or No.
Unfortunately, our team didn't qualify
Okay.
to
Yes.
World Cup.
and also here friends we have the Qatari friend as well. What's your name?
السلام عليكم
Walaikum salam.
كيف حالك القحطان
Alhamdulillah Zain.
I have $1,100
Listen. He's a low level Qatari. That's why he's asking just $1,000.
Lamborghini, I don't have.
Lamborghini?
We just have in Toyota Land Cruiser.
Oh, okay. So from last 30 minutes he's taking picture. Still not came good one.
Yeah.
What did you say? What did you say?
I'm saying from last 30 minutes you are trying to take a picture.
Yeah, I'm trying to because this
Picture
is
for
my country
this?
and this is and this is big and
It's
huge.
power.
Which one?
This one.
Actually,
69?
Yes.
actually, I'm taking a picture.
He bought it yesterday, so he's taking picture with it too.
Today.
Actually, I am from Senegal, so that I'm taking picture with money.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's my country. It's my country. You know,
So
he's famous star. You know,
Okay.
yeah. So that I'm taking picture here.
Maybe you are saying wrong, sir. Maybe you are landed at wrong place. If you are from Senegal, then
You are Messi. Where are you original? Where is your origin?
I'm basically from Pakistan.
Oh, nice.
Yes, but from last 15 years I've been living in Dallas, Texas.
Nice. Yeah.
And I am here for the FIFA Vodafone
Yeah.
to manage the traffic from the signaling point of view, mobile signal.
So what's your job in Dallas?
Same,
You work?
same.
Same.
I work for there for the
So it's
AT&T,
telecommunication and-
telecommunication, mobile company. And what about you guys?
I'm PhD student in
Oh.
computer science.
Oh, nice,
Yes,
nice,
Ben
nice.
Bilirani,
And what about you?
And
You are
me?
just, yeah.
I work in marketing.
Oh, very nice.
And
Nice meeting you
you know,
guys.
you know my section, my profession.
Section or profession?
Yeah, I am aviation
Or maybe
manager.
you want to tell your sex.
I'm aviation manager. So you could say, I'm man, male.
You are a male or female?
No, don't
No.
talk with me.
Okay, tell me, what's your profession?
Thank you. Nothing. So thank you very much.
Two judges.
He's dead. He's dead. He has a lot of money, so he can't work.
Okay, good luck, sir. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Sophia.
Bye.
Can you tell us about your Instagram? Or
Yeah, sure. My name is Zafar, Zafar.
you have a lot of fans.
Yes, you can check.
Okay, let's see.
Zafar,
Yes.
BHU,
BH.
TTO. TTO. Yeah, this one.
Nice.
Okay. Thank you, Imad. Listen, Sophia. One more
Yes,
time. You
tell
did
me.
a few minutes ago. You did with him. Kick him.
What is it?
No, like a few minutes ago you were doing like.
Yes, I was trying to kick him.
We are thankful, Mister. You are with us. Okay, thank you, Imad. Have a good night, guys. साईं इहे हुया दोस्त जंहिंसां कचहरी कईसीं अॼु वरी असां निकिता आहियूं थोरो सफ़र ते हिते ई साईं अवाम ऐं असांजो जिगर जो टुकड़ो थोरो हथ हलाइण जे अलावा को ॿियो बि को जुमिलो चवंदो कर त दोस्तों लाइक शेयर कमेंट
मां त सभिनी दोस्तनि खे चवंदो आहियां बाबा शेयर खां बग़ैर ज़िंदगी अधूरी आहे लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कंदा हलो
साईं हे ख़ल्क बद मञे थी भई ॾिसो था सॼा बस जी कढ बस न मेट्रो जी कढ हाणे कॉन्सर्ट ख़तमु थियो त सोचो हिकिड़ी नंढड़ी वीडियो ठाहियूं दोस्त मिली आई अल्जेरिया जा हे क़तर एनर्जी जी ऑफिस साईं अॻियां ई स्टेशन आहे असां हाणे वेंदासीं हेॾे जेसि ताईं दुआनि में यादि पंहिंजो परिवारनि जो ख़्यालु कजो हे ख़ल्क अथव हे माण्हू आड़ा कॉन्सर्ट ख़तमु थियो हाणे वेले जी मोट आहे हलो दोस्तों शेयर करे छॾिजो अल्लाह हाफ़िज़